My name is Liz Scott, and I'm excited today to share with you a first look at BatchMaster. They provide both cloud and on-premise solutions for mid-market, both recipe and formula-based manufacturing. Whether you are in the food or beverage or chemical or life science industry, BatchMaster has got you covered. They have got industry-specific functionality and they've even got some templates. Managing inventory can be a struggle for even the most seasoned manufacturers, but that's where BatchMaster comes in. Their add-on process manufacturing application and their process manufacturing ERP solution are designed to help scale up and streamline operations, optimize production planning and scheduling, and comply with industry regulatory mandates. And if you're already using QuickBooks Online, BatchMaster gives you more separation of duties and more capabilities. Accounting relative values sync with QuickBooks Online with transactional level detail for easy tracking. There's a one-way sync for AR, AP values, as well as inventory values. But there's more. BatchMaster also offers extended upfront capabilities to help manage sales and purchasing. So what modules does BatchMaster offer? Development, production, compliance, inventory, and quality, all designed to meet the unique business requirements of process manufacturing. Let me share some other awesome things about BatchMaster. They make life easier by creating process manufacturing industry-specific capabilities. They have templates that's going to save both time and ensure compliance. And we all need to save time. Let's take a look at how the sync between QuickBooks and BatchMaster works for vendor deliveries. First, in QuickBooks, the vendor info and the payment terms are generated. BatchMaster is then updated with the vendor information. PO for the vendor is generated. Raw materials are received. Journal entry affecting the raw materials inventory account is updated. Vendor invoice, otherwise known as a bill, is created, and the invoice or bill is uploaded. And then the vendor payment can be generated and the vendor is also notified. Let's take a look at the sync between QuickBooks and BatchMaster whenever it comes to customer shipments. First, in QuickBooks, the customer information and payment terms are generated. Next, in BatchMaster, that information is synced and the customer information is updated. A sales order for the customer is generated. The finished goods are picked. The delivery document is generated. And then in QuickBooks, there's going to be a journal entry that's going to affect the customer, and the finished goods inventory account will be updated. An invoice will be generated, and the invoice is generated and the customer is notified. Let's take a look at how the sync between QuickBooks and BatchMaster works when we're talking about batch production of jobs and inventory adjustment. First, in BatchMaster, we're going to start by creating the batch job work order that's generated. The raw material inventory consumed into the work in progress. A journal entry affecting the raw materials and finished good inventory accounts in QuickBooks are updated. Finished goods inventory received from work in progress. Next, the cycle counts generated. Raw materials and finished goods inventories are adjusted. And lastly, in QuickBooks, the journal entry affecting the raw materials and finished good inventory accounts are updated. With BatchMaster, you can scale up with ease. Their experienced team can quickly and effectively get your application up and running to maximize your time and value. If you are a process manufacturing and you're looking to streamline your operations and comply with the industry regulations, BatchMaster is the key for your success. Check out their website in order to get more information on how you can get started and operating at the next level. My name is Liz Scott, and I'm happy to bring to you a first look of BatchMaster.